Takeoff exercise in the F-86 fighter. Before beginning the lesson, please get familiar with the command. The takeoff procedure of the F-86 is pretty simple. However, everything is happening very fast and requires high concentration and attention to prevent potentially dangerous situations. The key elements of the takeoff are increasing engine RPM. After liftoff from the runway, the gear must be retracted by moving the landing gear handle up. This is done by pressing the G button on the keyboard, or right-clicking the handle. The landing gear handle is currently in the lower position, and must stay that way until a positive rate of climb is achieved after takeoff. Press space to continue. The flaps are retracted with the wing flap lever located on the throttle quadrant left side. To retract the flaps, move the wing flap lever forward or up. This can be done by pressing F on the keyboard or right-clicking the lever. When the flaps are full up, move the wing flap lever to the hold or center position. Left Alt F. Right now, make sure that the flaps are extended by looking at the wings from the cockpit, or using an outside view with F2. To return to the cockpit, press F1. Press spacebar to continue. Hold the brakes by pressing the W key. Then set maximum RPM by moving the throttle handle all the way forward, or numpad plus. Under normal conditions, the brakes must hold the aircraft in place. The RPM reading on the tachometer is not less than 98% and is not more than 100%. Exhaust gas temperature, or EGT, is 675 to 690 degrees. Oil pressure is at 10 to 22 psi. If all the readings are within their corresponding limits, release the brakes and start the takeoff roll. Maintain the airplane in a straight line during takeoff roll by using the pedals, or Z and X on the keyboard. Rudder control becomes effective at approximately 50 knots indicated airspeed. At a speed of 100 knots, pull the stick back approximately halfway. After the nose wheel lifts off, maintain its position by returning the stick slightly forward and continue accelerating. When airborne and a positive rate of climb is established, retract the landing gear. At a speed of 140 knots, retract the flaps. After takeoff, maintain that required pitch during the climb. Use the trimmer to reduce the manual force required to maintain that position. Nose down trim is right control and semicolon. Nose up trim is right control and period. During the climb, maintain a speed of at least 300 knots. Congratulations! You successfully took off. Well done. Press Escape to finish the mission.